In today's video, I will show you some Excel Visual Basic tips and tricks with great examples to make your life easier. For example, how to instantly check the approval status of the requests below using just one click. First, go to the Developer tab, select Design Mode, and double-click the checking button. Then go to the macro and paste the code I've already created. You can use the macro code as you needed. After enter all the approval numbers, click the checking button and view the status and comments here. Wow! Now you can see all the comments here. And also you can use it as it is or modify the numbers as needed. Again, paste the Clear All button code as you have already copied. Now click on the Clear All button and check. Please don't forget to like and share this video to others.